Hello everyone, in this video, we will demonstrate how to verify communication between a Selec RS485 enabled meter and the Modscan application using the Modbus RTU protocol. Use a twisted pair RS485 to USB converter cable. Connect the A positive terminal of the meter to the A positive terminal of the converter and connect the B negative terminal similarly. If communication does not work, try interchanging the A and B wires. After connecting the USB converter to the computer, open Device Manager and expand the port section. Note the assigned COM port number. This COM port will be used in Modscan. Verify the communication settings in the meter programming menu. Typical factory settings are Modbus RTU protocol, slave ID 1, 9600 baud rate, no parity, 8 data bits, and 1 stop bit. Open Modscan software, and click on Connection, then Connect. Select the detected COM port, and enter the communication settings, matching the meter. Once the configuration is completed successfully, Modscan will begin reading live meter data. The received values should match the meter display. If the value appears incorrect, such as an extremely large number, a very small number, or an unrealistic reading, it usually indicates a byte order or word order mismatch. Let's see how to verify the current Endianness setting and change it. By default, Selec meters use MSRF Big Endian Endianness. This can be verified by reading the holding register at address 40070, where the default value is 1, indicating that the meter is configured for MSRF communication. To change the Endianness to LSRF, write a value of 0 to holding register 40070. A value of 0 indicates LSRF, mid-little endian format. The successful data reading confirms that the RS485 communication and Modbus configuration are working correctly.